Hi, I'm Ria.
And I'm Nickolai, and we're here at Home and Garden Caribbean.
And we're going to give you an introduction on a sliding compound mitre saw.
So, the sliding compound mitre saw, it's called that for a reason. There are three main components to this. First of all, of course, there's the sliding component, so you can get your blade to go through. Yes. Then as well, you have the mitre to be able to get to different angles, 45-degree angles to cut wood. And last but not least, we have the compound. And that's how you're able to get those 45-degree angles that are for molding, you know, those type of things.
So let's talk a little bit about the safety features of this tool. First of all, we have the shield that protects the blade.
Yes, we also have an automatic brake on the blade, so as soon as you release the trigger, it slows the blade down immediately. So when you're actually cutting, you put the blade down. Yes, make sure you start the blade running, pull the trigger and you start the blade running while it's up here. Then you go through the wood. But what you're also doing is trying to make sure that you're pushing away from you at all times, just to ensure that the saw doesn't kick back towards you. Yeah? And then as soon as you get through the material, release the trigger, stop the saw. That's when you lift back. Now, of course, we also have this yellow strip right here, and what this does is ensure that that's the ultimate point. Your fingers never cross there, because within that zone there is of course the blade running, and that's very, very, very dangerous. Yeah, so you don't want to get your fingers snagged in that, because that's the end for you.
And we also have our fences that keep and hold our material stable, and you're going to want to use this.
Yeah. Then there are also the stickers that show us where not to put our hands.
But ultimately, when you're using any tool, remember, this is a tool and you're in control. So the first safety feature is to restrain yourself, respect the tool.
Keep your head on.
So that was your introduction to the sliding compound mitre saw. And for more information, visit our website hgcaribbean.com.
Or you can check us out on Facebook at Home and Garden Caribbean.